Are you ready for a compact drone that punches way above its weight? Meet the Hubsan Zino Mini Pro 2025, a lightweight drone that's packed with high-end features, dual camera options, and some seriously smart flight tech. But is it the perfect budget-friendly drone, or just another contender in an already crowded market? Let's dive in and find out. First things first, the Zino Mini Pro 2025 comes with two camera options. A high-end 1/1.3-inch sensor priced at $525, and a more affordable 1/2.6-inch sensor for $435. Both cameras can shoot 4K video at 30 frames per second, but if you want ultra-smooth footage, you can drop the resolution to 2.7K at 60 frames per second. Plus, with HDR and H-Log support, this drone isn't just for hobbyists. It's got real potential for professional content creation. And despite weighing under 250 grams, it still holds its own in terms of flight performance. With a 3-axis gimbal, your shots stay buttery smooth, even in less than ideal conditions. And if you love flying at high speeds, it can hit up to 29 miles per hour in sport mode, while handling winds up to 24 miles per hour, which means no shaky footage even on breezy days. Now, let's talk smart features. The AI tracking and follow me mode allow the drone to lock onto a subject and follow automatically. Perfect for action shots, solo vlogging, or pretending you're in a Hollywood chase scene. Plus, it's got GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, and Beidou support, meaning pinpoint positioning accuracy. No more accidental crashes into trees. Hopefully. Speaking of crashes, Hubsan has added front, back, and bottom obstacle sensors, helping the drone avoid nasty surprises mid-flight. And with 12 kilometers transmission range, you can capture breathtaking shots from way out. Flight time: around 28 minutes per charge, which is pretty solid for a drone of this size. So, is the Hubsan Zino Mini Pro 2025 worth it? If you're looking for a feature-packed, lightweight drone with a solid camera, smooth stabilization, and smart flight tech, all without breaking the bank, this might be a winner. But what do you think? Would you pick this over DJI's Mini lineup? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and check out my other videos for more drone reviews and tech updates. See you in the next one.